Okay, to get a project ready for clash detection, we're going to have to do a couple of things. The first thing is going to be to set up an isolation view. So this project already has an isolation view set up, it looks like, but I'm just going to go ahead and make another one. So I'll open up my default one and access that just by going to this home button. It'll open up the one with your name on it, and it'll look something like with everything on it probably, because nothing's turned off. And then what I have to do next and first is change the name to 3D underscore ISO underscore, and then whatever trade we're working in. So this is a mechanical model, so I'll just name this mechanical. And then always organize your views as soon as you create them. Keeps the model nice and tidy. Alright, and then next step we have to do is actually just isolate it. This is usually done so by using work sets. So I'll hit the VV button for visibility and graphics override. Go to my work set tab, turn all of these off besides the one that I want. So I want mechanical left on, so I will just hide all of the work sets in this view, then hit OK. Sometimes that won't change the views at all, because some people don't organize their stuff onto work sets like they should. So if I were to go back into, we'll say this view, that should have everything, yeah, and that is still open. All you have to do is click on this thing and then organize it into the correct work set here. If you don't have the work set, down here is the option to create a work set. Alright, so we'll zoom in on this thing. Sometimes it just brings in lines. I'm in a coarse looking view, so it's just going to bring in the lines. Next thing we're going to want to do is boost this up to fine, and then I usually keep them shaded because it's easier to see. Alright, next up we have to do is go to Collaborate tab, Publish Settings. We're going to set this up for publishing. Usually if this isn't set up already, I'll go in here and set this up as well. So I'll just make a Sheets one, Sheets in the model, and then select all, and set up the 3D views. So 3D views in the model, check none, and then check the one that you just created. I have to go back and delete this old one here. So just check the one that you created. Then all you have to do is hit save and close, make sure that both of these are checked, then hit save and close. We'll sync up. Alright, once we're synced, we will go back into this home view here, and you'll notice that this might not be saying, this won't say update available. Hit this little refresh button. It'll should update. Yeah, and if it's not, just give it a few seconds. It just has to load. And then all you have to do is right click over here somewhere on this file and hit publish latest.